as we bring ourselves as a preparation for our journey into a space that is very comfortable, very nurturing, aware of our body posture and how we facilitate this comfortable posture, bringing attention to the lower back, and if it's comfortable, without rushing, creating time and space if we choose, facilitated with compassion to create a framework for our practice together. In the field of yoga that beckons our return to our state of being, to bhavana. Bhavana, to be, to find our center of balance. As we find and deepen our invitation to this physical comfort, as we continue, having recognized our body's need for this comfort, allow ourselves to be aware if we are in a secure and safe space, which allows for a further deepening of our rest into the space that we have facilitated and continue to hold our attention to this deep rest. What quality helps us to nurture our body? And as we move with this question into our journey, with an intention to release perhaps something that does not belong in our body, we bring our attention to our breath, listening to the sound of the inhalation and to the sound of the exhalation, inviting a calm, steady breath on the exhalation. An exhalation that invites and embodies compassion and ease, facilitating rest for our breath. And what happens if we choose this path? What happens to our body? Does it also find ease? Where there is ease in our breath? And does it support the deepening of a much deeper relaxation and rest in this moment? And is it something that we find is supportive? Do we feel that it is something good for us? What do we feel in this moment that has changed? Do we appreciate any positive changes that we are experiencing? To allow perhaps a deepening of our attention to that which we are appreciating in this moment. To expand the appreciation and to breathe into the space and out of it the nurturer, our compassion, holding us in this space that brings us back to our center. And now our mind. What difference do we notice? Is the mind a little bit calmer, a little bit quieter, a little bit more rested and peaceful? And are we able to observe this with a little bit more clarity? And if so, the realization of this, does it bring us closer towards feeling content, more content, a little bit happier? Perhaps what have we learned, discovered about ourselves in these few minutes together?